figure. She say she love me, but she don't. Playing my heart just like a repeat of a song. Tried to make it work, but I'm already gone. Told her it's hard to say it, but it's true. Hard to find the words that I'm supposed to say to you. It's time to pack your bags, girl, 'cause I'm moving on. I said it, she know that I meant it. I gave her all my money, and now that she spent it, she already talking like she moving on. A girl, I promise.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Tayy coming to you today with another video. So today's video, you guys, I decided to do some jumbo slash large Bohemian twists, okay? These are not Bohemian locks. These are twists, like Marley twists, spring twists. There are twists, but the hair that I use makes them messy and makes them textured and makes them not structured. So here, the up close view of how they look. They are Bohemian because they are textured and they just have curly pieces coming out of them. See, they are not uniform or anything like that. And then my parts are diagonal triangle parts all throughout my head. So in total, this style took me about, I'd say if I was to go straight through, the parting probably took 30 minutes, and then the twist took 3.5 hours approximately, because it takes 3 hours to do the twist and they're super long, so they come past my waist. I really like them, and even though the hair that I used was like dense hair, it's like spring twist hair, here is an example of how the hair looks. The hair comes in this type of pattern. It's very coily, very springy. I started my hair off of clean hair. I did use gel for the parting, but everything will be talked about in the description box below. So if you are new to this channel, my name is Tayy, but my real name is Taylor. And if you are an OG subscriber, you already know we give hugs around this mug. So go ahead and just kind of lean close and give you guys a hug today. We give hugs around this mug. Close your eyes. Okay guys, so I'm just tell you guys what's going on. I started my hair freshly washed and my hair is damp still. So I applied some moisturizer onto my hair just to make sure it's moisturized under this style. And then when it came to the parting, I decided to do the triangle or the diamond parts, whichever you want to call them. And they're twists. So I want to secure the root so that way they don't slide down out of my hair. And so I decided to use the rubber band methods in regards to putting these twists in. However, make sure you are a little slack at the roots when it comes to the rubber bands. So make sure it's not tight. First of all, it's uncomfortable if it's tight. Second of all, you're not going to have any room to crochet the hair under the rubber band. So you're going to make sure the rubber band is kind of loose. After you do that, well, I'm going to do that over my whole head. Now, don't judge these partings, okay? Because in the back, I could not see anything. I didn't feel like using a mirror, so don't judge if the parts are uneven. You get the gist, okay? You get what I was trying to do, okay? Okay, so after the big bundle that I just showed you, I cut those in half because they are way too long. Once you start to twist, they extend maybe like twice their size, twice their length. So I cut the bundle in half, and then I do 5 to 6 pieces per twist. So I do use a comb to comb out the hair to make it a little bit more bushy. Now you don't have to do this. For some of them, I did not do this. I just wanted all the twists to be original and different looking. So I'm just showing you guys how they look as I'm twisting. You see how messy the locks look. Later on in the video, you are going to see a slowed down version of how to do the whole twist. Now, since these are long twists, they came way past my hip, but I end up cutting them. Good thing about this hair, when you cut, it does not unravel, so that is a plus. Now when it comes to twisting the twist past the point where you can reach, like let's say your arms are a certain length but the twists are going to be longer than your arms, you're going to clip that twist or braid out the way whenever you get to the point where you need to twist past that point where you can reach. You're going to clip that out the way, and then you're going to twist the rest down. Clipping it backwards or clipping it out the way is going to really help you when it comes to finishing the twist or a braid that you are doing on your own head. Okay, so grabbing those 5 pieces, you are going to open the crochet hook, slide it under the rubber band, and pull the hair through. Okay, once you pull the hair through, you are going to tighten the rubber band, and then grab one of the spring twist hair, and you're going to wrap it around the roots so that way you can hide the rubber band. After you do that, then I suggest you to start twisting. Now, as you can see, I am twisting and then wrapping. So twisting my wrist and then wrapping the twist around each other. And then I'm going to do that all the way to the end. And as you can see, you're going to get different textures. It's going to look messy only because it's spring twist hair, and that's how it's just going to look messy automatically. So I'm showing you guys again up close and personal, me twisting the crochet hair around the rubber band. And here you're going to see my wrist twisting and then wrapping, twisting, and then going around each other, twisting, and then going around each other. So yes, you're going to do that the whole time, and then once you clip it out the way to do the ends, you are going to use the clip and do the ends. I just regularly twist them. I regular 2-strand twist them or regular twist them because I feel like it didn't even matter. Once you get to the end of the twist, you can cut and then apply a little bit of gel, and that's going to kind of twirl the twists and seal them at the end. I use the Eco Style gel to twist and seal the ends. So yes, guys, that's basically what you do. You're going to keep doing that throughout your whole head, and then you're going to get some beautiful twists like this. I ended with putting some Dew Grow oil on my scalp. And that is it. I didn't put any product on my scalp because I didn't need them. And I did put a little bit of the Eco Style gel on my edges. And then that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I explained it pretty well for you guys. You can always rewind it. That's a luxury of YouTube. Just rewind it if you are confused about what I did. Okay, guys. So after I'm done with those twists, the next day I did do 5 or 6 styles that you can twist, that you can style these twists. So if you can continue watching towards the end of the video, you will see those styles. Okay, guys, love you so much for taking your time out to watch this video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for, like I said, taking your time out of your day to view this new upload. Okay, guys, I will talk to you in my next video. I hope you guys like the pop of red that I included in my hairstyle. Okay, guys, talk to you later. Bye.